So hold up, before watching this video, what time is it? If it's midnight, if it's 1 a.m., if it's late, turn off the video and go sleep. Like, I don't care. Don't watch this video. Go to sleep. This video is gonna be about sleep, by the way. So go to sleep if it's late and you're watching YouTube. Turn off your phone, turn off your computer, whatever you're watching it on. Go to sleep. You can watch this video in the morning, but now go to sleep. I'm gonna tell you something important right now. One thing that really changed everything for me in self-improvement was my sleep. Once I improved my sleep and once I started sleeping 10 hours a night, everything else in my life started falling in its place. All of the other habits like meditation, gym, discipline in general, everything, all of this was so much easier after I was sleeping well. Or maybe it's better said that it's so much harder when you're not sleeping well. Sleep is gonna change everything for you if you just fix it. And also sleep is honestly always been my weakest point. I know for my entire life I never wanted to go to sleep. And honestly in the nighttime I was the most active and my mind is thinking the most. So it has always been difficult to go to sleep and to fall asleep. I cannot even tell you enough how different life is when you sleep well and when you don't sleep well. It's a huge difference, and I really want that for you. I want you to see how good it gets. So above everything, you need to prioritize sleep. But now I'm gonna tell you one secret. I have actually been sleeping kind of bad recently. My sleep schedule kind of got destroyed. There was some things happening and everything was falling out of place, and it just happened, and my sleep is kind of bad right now. It's not horrible. I don't go to sleep past midnight. I don't go to sleep at like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. But my sleep is still kind of bad. I don't feel so good. I kind of been falling off with other habits, which just shows you how important sleep is. Literally, the foundation of everything in self-improvement is good sleep. So I've been thinking about it. I had bad sleep recently. It's kind of hard to fix it, but I know I need to fix it because I know how important it is. And I also want to tell you how important it is. And I feel like a hypocrite telling you about sleep if I'm not sleeping well myself. So I had this idea. I'm gonna make this video and we're gonna fix our sleep together. You and me are gonna go through this process together right now. So I'm gonna tell you 3 things that you need to do tonight to fix your sleep, and I'm gonna do them too tonight so we can fix our sleep in the same time. The first thing that you can do right now, and I'm gonna do it right now, is take your phone and go to alarms. I'm literally doing it live as I'm telling you this. Go to alarms on your phone or clock or whatever it is. Set an alarm for 30 minutes before you want to go to sleep. So I want to go to sleep at 10. So I'll set an alarm for 9:30. Repeat every single day. And then set one more alarm, which is gonna be at the time where you wanna go to sleep. So 10 p.m. for me, repeat every single day. Okay, so now you have the alarms. You have one 30 minutes before sleep and one when you need to go to sleep. What are these for? Well, this one, that's 30 minutes before sleep. That's gonna tell you when you need to go do your night routine. It's about time to go to sleep. Go do your night routine, brush your teeth, do your skincare, everything you need to do. And when you're done with your night routine, it's probably not gonna last 30 minutes. If it does, great. If it doesn't, then pick up a book and read. Reading before sleep is way better than looking at your phone before sleep. Reading rests your eyes and you want that will make you fall asleep easier. And the other alarm that's gonna be at the time you're gonna sleep in, that's just gonna remind you, okay, now is the time, close your eyes, go to sleep. So I guess reading was the second tip. And the third tip, I have to tell you something else. I always had problems falling asleep. My average time of me falling asleep is an hour. So when I lay down and close my eyes, I need a whole hour to fall asleep. You might relate to this. If you don't, amazing, you will fall asleep easier. I wish I was you, but I'm not. So if you relate to me and you need an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to fall asleep at night, I don't have the perfect solutions, but we're gonna try something together tonight. First thing that we're gonna do is get candles. And when the sun goes down, we're not gonna turn on the light in our room. We're gonna light candles. When the sun goes down, your brain should get the signal that it's almost time for sleep, and it will start winding down and getting you ready to fall asleep. The problem with the light is that messes up the signals your brain gets. You know, your brain still sees the light and it's not gonna wind you down and get you ready for sleep. So candles are gonna help you avoid that. Another thing is that we're almost gonna like meditate when we lay down in bed. So we're gonna focus on falling asleep and focus on our breathing, and we're gonna breathe deeply instead of thinking a million things. That's what I do. I lay down and I just I think about this and this and this and what happens tomorrow and what happens this day, and that's it. I'm not gonna end this video here. I'm gonna actually come back to you after I wake up and tell you how that worked and if it helped me. So let's keep to that. Morning. It worked. So I did everything I said I was gonna do. I lit up a candle. I read before sleep. Everything amazing. I can't believe it. Like, I fell asleep faster than I ever did in my entire life. I'm not kidding when I say it took me 5 minutes to fall asleep. Incredible. Like, I never did that before. It took me hours to fall asleep. This is the first time, like, first time ever I could fall asleep that fast. So it worked amazingly. I encourage you to try it if you haven't already, please. It's amazing. Okay, so that's all I had to say in this video. You subscribe if you want. You can subscribe if you want for more videos like this, and that's it. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.